Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I can't believe I'm saying this, but today's video is going to be about my summer fashion wish list. So I've been doing these every season for a while now, probably over a year, and I love them. They're some of my favorite videos to make, and it kind of shows you the behind the scenes within my brain of like what I'm lusting after and kind of how I go about doing such things. So I start with a concept, an idea, or something I see, and then I kind of narrow it down with a wish list of like, I want yellow sneakers, and then I kind of come up with different types of yellow sneakers that I like, and then I pull the trigger on one of them, typically is how it works. But yeah, I want to share with you what they are, and it always is in random orders because it kind of starts with what's most important to me. Okay, you know what I mean. But you know, what's on the top of my list, and then I work my way down. So it's ever changing, but if you've never tried a wish list, highly recommend. It's gonna help with compulsive behaviors in terms of buying and so on and so forth. So, and make sure you get the best bang for your buck. You're gonna be able to shop deals when there's Memorial Day sales or whatever it is. And you're also gonna be able to make sure that you're really thinking through your decision. So let's start, okay? So we have, I already plugged the first thing, yellow sneakers. Okay, so these ones specifically are on my wish list. Okay, so I tried the ones that were on my spring wish list, which were the the Adidas Samba Special, the Adidas Special handballs in yellow, pre-loved yellow or something. Hated them, bought them, didn't like them, too mustardy, not bright enough. So I found these ASIC ones. I don't own a pair of ASICs, but I own a pair of New Balance in green, like this, same style, and I really love them. I wear them a lot, and I think these are super cute, look great with like Halara activewear dresses, look great working out, and I just think the yellow is a fun little pop. So I'm lusting after these, if you will. They also make the New Balance styles that I have in the yellow, but I think I want to try ASICs because I've never tried a pair. So that is my first want list on my list. I mean, I'm staring at my computer. Next up, this is something that was on my spring wish list that I just never pulled the trigger on, but I'm ready. The Anthropologie Fisherman Sandals. I'm so excited for these. I think these are adorable, will look great with all of the long skirts that I've been getting and the dresses that I've been getting. I think these are the ones I'm going for. I was waiting for Anthropologie to do a sale. I don't think they're probably going to, but sometimes there's little like creator coupons flying around, falling everywhere, and hopefully I can get my hands on one and grab these. But I think these are cute. I think these are a staple, and I think they're gonna be super comfortable. And I think I like this color the best of all of the colors that I've seen. So those ones from Anthropologie, I need them, okay? We're done lusting, we're gonna get. All right, next is this bag from Cezanne. Okay, I'm not a bag girl, but these bags are so cute to me. Okay, and I like the coloring on them. It's kind of different because typically when you think of like a summer bag, you think of more brighter colors, but I honestly like the more muted earth tone bags, but in this like sort of woven type of look. So I love the green and I love the navy blue. I also love the chain detailing on it. I just think this is such a classic, cute bag and can be worn with so many different things. So one of those is coming home with me. I can't decide which color, let me know. I'm gravitating towards navy because I always gravitate towards navy, but the green was the first one I saw and I loved. So I'm kind of like, should I just go with the green? I don't know. All right, next up is another pair of shoes from Cezanne. I like Cezanne's shoes, accessories, whatnot. I just think they're so cute. These, I feel like I own nothing like this, okay? I feel like this is the year I finally like really start getting more shoes. I think it will change my life okay, that was a bit dramatic, but it will change my outfits so much. And I feel like I've always gravitated towards sneakers, and I may be subtly going out of it, honestly, as if I didn't list a pair of sneakers was my first wish, but I feel as though I'm like slowly kind of tapering out of it, and I love these. These are dressy. I feel like these could be worn on vacation. These could be worn day to day. They have a small heel, but nothing crazy. I think they're really stunning, and I love the muted green as well. I feel like it's a neutral, it'll go with so much, and I like the little circle details and the little block heel. I don't know, if you've ever tried Cezanne shoes before, let me know your thoughts on them, but I think those are super, super cute. Okay, next up is more of just like a want. I mean, these are all wants, let's be real. A little workout set from Aritzia. I've actually, fun fact, never, I don't know, this is not a fun fact. You're such a weirdo, Kelly. Never bought from Aritzia. I just feel like, I don't know. I feel like it's all really basic and I could get it done at Quince for half the price. Anyway, but these workout sets, so cute. They come in the coolest colors too. They have like orange, blue. I like this blue, but I'm wanting like a sports bra workout top. I think this sports bra will actually flatter me a lot. So I'm thinking this. If you tried the TNA, I believe that's what it's called. Workout sets from Aritzia, let me know your thoughts. But this like cornflower blue is really, really speaking to me, okay? Okay, next up we have Levi's shorts. I believe these are the 501s. I feel like I have a great dark wash pair and I have a great light wash pair, but I don't have anything kind of in between. I need a white pair and I need a medium wash. I'm thinking of trying these. All of my jean shorts are either Abercrombie. The ones that I wear a lot are Abercrombie. And those are stretchy, not super stretchy, but they have some stretch to them. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try the Levi's because I love my Levi 501 jeans. So I'm hopeful that I will love these. I wanna go way up in size so that they feel a little slouchy, a little lived in, because I hate uncomfortable denim shorts that just like ride and go and ugh, the worst feeling in the world, okay? So I'm hopeful for these. I'm thinking more of that like sort of lived in boyfriend short, if you will. And these look like they have a good length to them without being like too long. So I'm hopeful for these. I'm going to probably order them, or I need to see if they have a Levi's store at the North Park Mall. I'm not entirely sure. I know they have one in Legacy West, which is cool because I'm gonna live right by there really soon. The next pair of shorts I need is a good white denim pair of shorts. So I don't have a pair of denim white shorts. I used to, and I probably outgrew them, to be honest with you. Outgrew them, like I'm a growing child. No, after having a child, I probably couldn't wear them any longer. But I'm looking for a very, like I said, lived in look to my denim shorts. Love these from Zara. Now they look so different on the model versus the picture, but hopefully I can get them to look this like slouchy and whatnot. Super excited. I think I'm gonna try to grab these when I'm at the mall. I have to make a return for a bra from Nordstrom, so I'm gonna look at Zara and see if they have these, because they're really cute. And if not, I'm just gonna order them from the store because they do free shipping. The store, I think. I could be wrong. I could have changed that. But anyway, love these, like very slouchy lived in. Think these will look great with cute tops. But just more of like a structured polished piece versus linen, which is a very lived in casual piece. I think the denim shorts, I can't believe I'm saying denim shorts are classic, but when they're like the right style and length, they really can be. Okay. And then this next piece is something I don't know what is calling me. I mean, I know it's calling me. I love a good shift dress, like a t-shirt dress like this from Anthropologie. I love this black and white. I think it's so cool. I don't know what it is. I mean, I do know. I just said I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, it's like a floral, abstract-y sort of look. I think this is cool. I don't know. And when I feel like I like a dress, I should just go ahead and get it, okay? Because it's rare that I like dresses. And this one, I just feel like it's really fun and very much me with the muted tones, but also look good with the gray, or those little green shoes that I showed you, but just really anything because it's just a basic little like shift t-shirt dress. Anthropologie has some really cute dresses. Okay, and then last but not least, I told you this isn't super long. We're trying to be conservative. We also are moving and we have like big house expenses to worry about, and not just clothes and shoes and whatnot, but it's still fun. Okay, it's fun to have wish lists. Are a pair of boat shoes. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I really want them, okay? I think they're cool. I actually never owned a pair of like Sperry boat shoes. I feel as though when they were really popular, I just wasn't in a spot where they were popular. Like, I feel like they were popular in more southern towns when I was in like high school, and I wasn't buying them because they weren't cool in my high school. Not that like it matters, but you know what I mean? Like that's how you start wearing trends, whatever. And then when I got to college, I feel like they just weren't a thing. Like I went to school in Tampa, but it wasn't like a popular thing to wear. Neither really like Roger Rabbits or anything like that. You remember those shoes? Is that what they were called? I feel like that was more southern than Tampa. I hate to say it like that, but I feel like Tampa is like such an import city that it's like all the kids that I went to school with at the University of Tampa were from New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. So it wasn't a very southern school, if that makes sense. But anyway, I feel like these are kind of cool. I love the Sperry Aritzia collab, but I don't think you can get them anymore. But I would probably just get a plain pair and add like the cool shoelaces. I feel like it just spices it up, adds just a fun element to it. And I am such a basic dresser, casual dresser, jeans, t-shirt, shorts, t-shirt, something like that. Like, it's so classic to me that I just feel like these could kind of replace my everyday sneakers / Birkenstock clogs. I don't know. But I think these are really cool. I'm also eyeing, I want the Birkenstock Tokyo, I think is what they are, Tokyo. Like they're the clogs with the strap in the back, but I wanted the matcha green tea and they don't have them anywhere. So there's not a color I'm lusting after, but if they dropped a blue pair or a green pair, yes, it's also on my wish list. But anyways, that's it, you guys. Let me know what's on your summer wish list. Do you guys do seasonal wish lists? It's something that I started when like really getting into YouTube or getting back into YouTube, because I feel like I was flooded with so much cool stuff and so many different trends and whatnot, and I really wanted to pick and decide what I wanted. Plus, I also feel like it's able to it's not always just trendy things. It's some things that I just like just because I like them. And if I continue to think about them, I put them on this list, and then sometimes I purchase and sometimes I don't. But right now, that's on my list. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love making these videos. I think they're fun, and just I don't know, I think it's cool to talk about what we want, but not necessarily buying everything we want, but I will probably. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know again, what's your summer wish list consist of? What do you think that I should pick up? If you have anything that I'm wishing for, let me know. What do you think about that? But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.